Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the H1 full beam light bulb, unscrew the cover on the headlight. To release the bulb, you must simultaneously push and pull on one part and the other of the bulb to free it from the holding studs. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. To remove the bulb from its housing, simply pull on it. You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Screw the cover back on.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
To change the H7 dipped beam bulbs, remove the cover on the car body side. Remove the electricity connection for the light bulb by pulling on the back part, not on the wires. To release the bulb, you have to simultaneously put pressure on and push the holding clip upwards. Then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then lock the clip. Reconnect the electric connector. Screw the cover back on. Operation completed.